Hey guys! By the time Mina finds her passport, ChatGPT will have planned our entire vacation in 3 minutes. So 3, 2, 1, let's go! So holiday season is here and yet you're stuck in analysis paralysis. Endless tabs, to-do lists, but literally no progress at all. There are just so many options, where should you even go? No clue! With this AI you can turn your headaches of planning the whole vacation into a complete full travel itinerary with budget planning, with emergency planning, everything. And all of that in only 3 minutes.
Hi Mom, do you know where my passport is? I can't find it anywhere.
So let me show you how this works. Here's the exact prompt. You can find this prompt in the pinned comment below. You can just copy and paste it into ChatGPT and it will ask all the right questions. And while Mina is searching for her passport, ChatGPT is asking me where I want to go, when I want to go, what my budget is, who is coming with us, and all the important questions. So first destination, travel date, participants 2 people, we're a couple, vegetarians, total budget. Let's go. So he's even asking me if I want to rent a car locally there. Preferred accommodation type is apartment. So you can really see he goes for every important step of a travel. So even visa requirements and documents and everything. Then he asks me how I want to distribute my budget, but I have no clue, so I tell him that he should decide that. Now create the whole plan. And then he's planning it. And boom! After answering all the questions he asked me, he gave me a complete plan. Trip overview, transportation, accommodation, activities we should do. He even covers health and safety, the budget table, a packing list, and even an emergency and backup plan, so nothing is left to chance. And also I can additionally ask for some hidden gems that he didn't mention yet and a detailed packing list if anyone needs that. So grab this template for free in the pinned comment below this video and start planning your dream vacation in only 3 minutes. I freaking love this.
I found it, guys!
Hey, nice!
So now we can go, right?
Oh wait, where's my passport?